Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to stretch a strip with columns in Wix. This is useful for creating a wider section and improving your website's layout for a more professional look. Now let's get started. On the Wix dashboard, we will insert a strip. Let's say we want to add one here for the footer. Let's choose a strip. Here are the available strips. Let's go with this one. As you can see, this is the stretch option. To stretch it, all we need to do is click the strip and change its responsive behavior. Let's set it to fit to scale. We can also fix the height. Let's try the fit to screen option so it will fill the screen nicely. We can also make adjustments to the columns. We can add columns here, and we can add rows so everything fits better. For example, we can stretch the columns to 70. This will depend on what works best for you, and you can adjust it however you like. We can also set it to fit the screen, depending on how we want the strip to look. And that's how we stretch a strip with columns in Wix. With these simple adjustments, we can build cleaner and more responsive layouts for our website.